Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust HMD Pulse Plus for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and look for accessibility. Here it is, we can click on it, then navigate to the display size and the text. We can adjust the font size, which changes the size of the text on your phone. Then the display size, which makes everything bigger or smaller. That means the icons, text, and buttons, just everything. Then we can scroll down and activate a bold text, which increases the thickness of a font. We can also activate high contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text on that device. We can also go back to home screen to see it much better. Then we can go back and navigate to color and motion. Here I recommend to enable a remove animation. This should reduce motion sickness when using your phone. Next is magnification. When activated, you should get that shortcut button floating around your screen. You can click on it to enter magnification mode. Click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in that portion of the screen. Then we can click on the loop again to zoom out. And honestly, that's all of the functions I would recommend to change. Of course, you can go to accessibility and experiment with more settings if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.